You like to smell good? I like to smell good. You like to save money? I do too. Here are 5 fragrances that will definitely get you noticed on the cheap.
I finally found what I'm missing, and now you got all my attention. Driving me wild, got me wishing that you were all mine. You're irresistible, so refreshing. You're irresistible, tell the essence. I can feel your energy all over me. Close my eyes and I breathe in. You're irresistible.
What's up, fam? It's Cam and welcome back to CFR. So yes, I'm kind of excited about today's episode. I'm sharing 5 of my most complimented cheap fragrances that I can get away with wearing in the spring. And when I say cheap, I mean that all these can be bought for $30 or less. These are battle-tested fragrances that are extremely versatile, or if one is more suitable for like date night, I have something that'll be suitable for signature scent, day scent, whatever. Let's go ahead and get it rolling. Coming in at number 5 is a fragrance that can be copped easily for 20 bucks. It is Halloween Man. Halloween Man is an oriental woody fragrance. It does have some florals. It's got some iris, some rose, some lavender. It does have like your semi-traditional oriental, but it definitely has like a youthful vibe. This would definitely be suitable for clubbing, night out, date night. It's sensual, it's alluring, it is definitely attention grabbing, and it will yank the compliments in. Coming in at number 4 is another $20 banger for 20 bucks. It's from Rayanne Tradition. It is Gentle Esates. Now, as some of you may know or may not know, this is one of the Sauvage clones. This one actually kind of smells like a very weakly performing Sauvage with knee-high grape soda. Now for 20 bucks, this is a pretty good smelling fragrance. And believe it or not, I mean, for 20 bucks, this is a pretty decent presentation. It's got like a, you know, halfway decent cap. No, it's not anything like the nice magnetic cap that Dior has, but for 20 bucks, not too shabby. This is an eau de parfum, or eau de parfum concentration, and it does definitely smell like Sauvage and knee-high. That atomizer sucks, so. But really, I mean, like, if you guys know how that Sauvage pulls the compliments, this will get the job done for 20 bucks. Now, it's not gonna have that rockin' performance and sillage that Sauvage does, and you're gonna have that little grape soda vibe in here, but for 20 bucks, what the hell? I mean, Sauvage is gonna kick this right between the legs as far as performance, but not a bad fragrance. Another gem that you can pick up for around 25 bucks is one of the few artist fragrances that I genuinely like. It is from Sean John. This one is Unforgivable. I have actually owned a couple of bottles of this. I actually had the big bottle, and this is the second small bottle that I've owned. You can buy a little small bottle like this for 25 bucks all day long, pretty much anywhere, including like Walmart, discounters, whatever. And it would be Walmart online. Fragrance.net is where I get like 99% of my fragrances like this. But if you are curious about the Millésime Imperial, or if you've smelled Millésime Imperial and you don't want to spend Millésime Imperial money, this is going to be a really, really close option. You're gonna get the same green citrus aquatic notes that you're gonna get from Millésime Imperial. It's sweet, it's seductive, it's alluring, it's compliment getting. The performance on it is, I don't know, maybe average, but I mean, for 25 bucks, okay, you can respray, you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Okay, we're at the last 2, and I honestly just stuck it at 2 and 1 because both of these fragrances draw compliments like crazy. They both perform really well. They both are extremely mass appealing. They both are extremely versatile. I think the reason I put number 2 where it's at is because Number 1 is a little bit more versatile. Without no further ado, number 2 is none other than Bulgari Aqua Mara. You guys have seen memes about this fragrance. There's been all kinds of talk about this fragrance. Like, I mean, it's been out and about. I mean, Jeremy Fragrance probably is the one that really like hyped this one up, talking about is the strength of the ocean and all that, but it is a very good fragrance. I also like the regular Bulgari Aqua as well. The Aqua Mara actually has that nice mandarin note in it. It has, you know, like spicy little nuances that come out. It is the perfect spring and especially summer scent. It has above average projection, it has above average performance, and for 25 bucks, I mean, it's like one of the best deals you can get on one of the best smelling spring and summer fragrances that is still sexy. Coming in at number 1 can be caught between 25 to 30 bucks. I just got through checking, so it just depends on what outlet. And you will find it a little more expensive in certain places, but be smart and you can pick up Versace pour Homme. This used to be my brother's signature scent. I mean, like, he would have mad wafts coming off and I was like, dude, really? Because I was like, when I was transitioning from Aqua di Gio, I wanted, you know, to try something a little bit different that had a similar scent profile. So instead of buying like the 13th bottle of the original Aqua di Gio, I went ahead and picked up Versace Mano Fresh. But I had not smelled Versace pour Homme at that time. And to be honest with you, I mean, this is as good as it gets as far as like a contemporary smelling fougere. This, like, you know, got that nice contemporary twist to it that is really, really alluring. You know, it's t-shirt, you know, in the sun, you could definitely wear it, you know, more dressed up. But to me, this is just like that spray and run. Girls are gonna give you compliments. Your coworkers are gonna give you compliments. Any season, any application, it's gonna work. And it has above average projection and performance. And I'll say it on my skin, you know, because some people are like, I don't get that kind of performance. Well, on my skin, okay? Some of the notes on this are bergamot, neroli, tonka bean, musk, amber, and it was also perfumed by the master perfumer, Alberto Marias, the same one that I was just talking about a while ago that perfumed Aqua di Gio, and also Office for Men by Jeremy Fragrance. Oh, dang. Nice save, Jay. I have also seen this on ladies' lists as like one of their favorite men's fragrances or one of the sexiest men's fragrances, especially for like, you know, just like a casual situation, t-shirt, flip-flops, board shorts. This is definitely going to be a must-have cheapie for spring and summer. And just a little side note, this is actually one of my most complimented fragrances of all time. So I wanted to try to get some cheapies for you guys, something, you know, between 20, 30 bucks. That's gonna work, you know, obviously when the spring gets here and summer gets here, you're gonna be, you know, cranking that heat up. You don't wanna be, you know, having to like spray and spray and spray $300 and $400 fragrances, spray and spray and spray $20 and $30 fragrances. While saying it actually made me think about funnel vision, like, we spray all day. Wow, that still smells good. Until next time,
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine. You just can't get into it because they have.
Until next time, be disruptive, wear what you want, when you want, have fun. Make sure that you're subscribed to Carolina Fragrance Reviews, activate that notifications bell, smash that like button, leave us some comments down below. We'll see you next time on Carolina Fragrance Reviews.
Set me onto you.